Good day! It's only bloody New Year's Eve, isn't it? I thought I'd just record this early and say Happy New Year to you all. It's blowing a gale here, literally. We've got a yellow weather warning for gale force winds around Dorset, which is why I'm moving a lot. And you can hear... Possibly you can hear the wind howling, I don't know. What am I doing tonight? I'm going for something to eat. Which sounds very posh, going out for something to eat on New Year's Eve, but I think I'm going to McDonald's because it's 20 nuggets for a fiver or so, so you can't go wrong with that, can you? Just throwing that out there. And then going to, I think, Salt, which is a place where I used to work. Not drinking though, can't be bothered with drinking anymore, I've had enough of it. Plus really bad weather as well. I don't want to be stumbling around getting blown off the pontoons and stuff like that, do I? So got to be a big boy and sensible and stuff, and stay sober. And then that means that I had a couple of beers last night when I went watching Finn play in Weymouth, and I refused to drink on consecutive days anyway, but that will have been the last time that I drink for a while, because New Year, new me, bull crap. I've ordered a lot of that Huel stuff in that I was drinking back in New Haven to save me spending money on food. No drink, no cigarettes, no other reason to live. Yeah, all that, and then try and get healthy and lose some fat. My New Year's resolution is to stop being a fatso, so we'll see how long it takes to implement that and stick to it, but we'll see. Yeah, don't know what you guys are doing. Feel free to comment and let me know. But either way, hope you have a wonderful evening. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you. I think the 4th or 5th looks like possibly sailing days. I think one day it's raining. I think that's Thursday or Friday. I think Thursday it's raining, but Friday it's not. So try and get this bloody boat out. I don't think there's anything actually stopping me now, apart from weather. Yeah, and up until then I'll get some electrics sorted. It's all fun and games, isn't it? We'll keep going, but yeah, basically Happy New Year. Thanks for watching all the times that you do, because a lot of people don't, obviously. Right, all best in that.